brown color, red color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye bye.